Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Bitstamp and verify your account fast, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start, open your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for Bitstamp's official website. Once the page loads, locate the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your registered email address in the first field. Next, input your password in the second field. After entering your login details, click on the login button. If your credentials are correct, you will be taken to your account dashboard. To verify your account, find the Account tab on the dashboard. Click on the Account tab to access account settings. Look for the verification section within the account settings. You will see options to verify your identity. Select the appropriate verification method based on your preference. Typically, you will need to provide personal information like your full name and address. You may also need to upload documents such as a government-issued ID and proof of address. Follow the prompts to upload these documents securely. After submitting your information, you may need to wait for verification. Check your email for updates on your verification status. Once verified, you will receive a confirmation email. Congratulations, your account is now ready to use. You can start trading and accessing all features on Bitstamp. For any issues, refer to the support section on the website. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.